Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So to do this, you just have to open your phone application, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and go to the block list, and then to block numbers, add. Then you have to select if you want to block the number. You can block some prefix for a number, or you can just select a number from your contacts list and block it like this. So let's just block some number. Then you enter this number here, tap OK, and after that this number which you want to block will never call you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.